For the Keep 'em Separated lab for tests 1 through 3, you'll be asked to create a data table with your results. During the lab, you'll be asked to take photos of the results and paste them into this middle column on the table. This needs to be just a photo, first of all. You'll need to crop the photo to show the important details. So you can see here that the important details are in this test tube, but it's very difficult to see with the background and with the cropping. So I want to show you how to crop it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is put your photo into this box. You'll go to Insert Image, and you can upload from your drive, or if you have a Google Photos account where your photos are, you can upload it from there. So on your phone, if you have the Drive app, you can put the photo directly into your Drive app, and then you click on Drive, and then you'll be able to select a photo from your Drive and then insert it into here. Once you insert it into here, you want to crop and resize so that it's focused on the important part and so that you don't change the size of these rows. You don't want to change the size of the rows or the columns, so please don't change any sizing of the table. So click on this, and then you're going to click on this button here that looks like two L's intersecting where it says Crop Image, or you can right click it and go to Crop Image. So click on Crop Image, and then you're going to move these little black things, these little black lines, down, and it's going to start moving your photo around. You want to make sure you're not resizing the photo and that you get this little black arrow so that you can zoom in. So we're going to zoom in on the important part here. We're going to get our person out of the background taking their photo to try and zoom in just on the important part, just right there. We click Enter and it'll crop it. Then you want to resize it so that we can see it. So go to the corner where you get this black arrow and make it big enough to fit into this square. That is much better than the photo was before because it's on the important part. And then once you zoom in, if you want to crop it some more, you can crop it and you can do that. Okay, I can go further in on the end of the test tube where the important part is. Click Enter, and then again make it bigger, not too big that it changes the size of the column. Another thing that you can ensure that you do to make a good photo is to use a background. So again, here is a test tube and they've put it on a white background, which is a good start, but then they didn't crop the photo. And so if we just crop it down a little bit, you can see how this will make the photo much better. We click Enter, and then we make that a little bit bigger. Not too big that it moves the line, the size of the row. But this might be unclear on a white background, so you could try and take your picture with the lab table as your black background, and then again, crop your photo so that you're just showing the important parts, which is the test tube, which is the part you want. So you click Enter again, and we blow the picture up, and then that I can see clearly what's happening in your test tube. And so that is how you crop a photo to show just the important parts of it.